Hey guys, welcome back. I just wanted to take a moment and introduce you to something new on my channel, and that is going to be Don's Lawns Quick Tips. So my goal with the Don's Lawns Quick Tips is to spend, around a minute to 2 minutes giving you just a quick little tip that I find useful in my lawn, and in hopes of you getting to learn something and applying it to yours. So please go follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Don's Lawns 1. That's where majority of these quick tips will be posted. So my first tip is for you guys who like to mow really tall. Well, if your mower is already topped out and maxed out on your height of cut, I recommend measuring your front wheels, because you may be able to find a universal or an aftermarket wheel that'll actually give you an additional ½ inch to an inch on your height of cut. I went and measured mine, and the ones that came with this cheap mower from Home Depot were only 7 inches tall. And I've been cutting and mowing, and the highest I can mow is 3.75, maybe 3.5 inches, somewhere around there, depending on how thick the grass is. But that was as high as I could go, and I wanted to break that 4-inch mark. I wanted to cut up there. So I decided to go ahead and buy some universal wheels. They were 8 inches tall. It added another ½ inch to my height of cut. These wheels right here were able to give me an extra ½ inch. Every ½ inch counts, guys, so make sure you go check out some universal wheels if you want to raise your height of cut. That is today's Don's Lawns Quick Tip.